The Perlegear AuraFram PGMF20 is a compact TV wall mount that lets you tilt and swivel your screen while keeping it close to the wall. In this review, we will cover the key features, who it is for, the rating, and the most frequently asked questions, so you can see if it fits your room and your setup. Let us begin. Key features. To begin with, this is a compact adjustable wall mount made for viewers who want movement without a large arm sticking out from the wall. Also, it gives you practical tilt and swivel control, which helps reduce glare and fine-tune the angle from a bed, sofa, or side seat. On the other hand, the design stays fairly close to the wall, so it looks cleaner than bulkier full-motion mounts, even if that means less extension. Finally, installation is manageable for most people, but getting the stud position right is important if you want the cleanest and most secure result. Who it's for? For apartment renters or bedroom users dealing with limited space, this mount gives enough adjustment to improve the viewing angle without adding the bulk of a big arm. If you watch TV in a room with awkward window light, the tilt and swivel can help cut reflections and make the screen easier to see from normal seating spots. Someone who wants a tidy wall-mounted look but still needs occasional angle changes will like how this model keeps the TV closer to the wall while staying easy to adjust. I would not recommend it if you need to pull the TV far out from the wall for a corner layout, a deep cabinet obstruction, or a wide open concept room with frequent off-angle viewing. Rating. For build stability, the score is 4.6 out of 5. Feels secure and sturdy for daily use. For tilt and swivel range, the score is 4.3 out of 5. Useful adjustment, but not wide-reaching. For installation ease, the score is 4.2 out of 5. Straightforward overall, though stud alignment matters. For low-profile design, the score is 4.7 out of 5. Keeps the TV close to the wall nicely. For value for compact setups, the score is 4.4 out of 5. Good balance of price, simplicity, and function. The final score is 4.4 out of 5. In its range, the value for money is very strong and clearly competitive. Frequently asked questions. Can the Perlegear AuraFram PGMF20 handle different TV sizes comfortably? Yes. As long as your TV matches the supported size and weight range, it should feel stable and work comfortably in normal use. Does the Perlegear AuraFram PGMF20 move far enough for corner-style viewing? It can help with moderate side viewing, but it does not extend like a larger full-motion mount, so corner use is limited. Is the Perlegear AuraFram PGMF20 easy for beginners to install? Mostly yes, but beginners should take extra time with stud finding and alignment, because that part matters for both fit and stability. Final thoughts. Overall, the Perlegear AuraFram PGMF20 is a really solid choice if you want a compact mount that still gives you useful tilt and swivel without making the setup look bulky. Its biggest strength is that it saves space while still being easy to adjust, although it's not the right pick if you need a mount with long extension for corner-heavy layouts. For small rooms, bedrooms, or simple viewing setups, it makes a lot of sense, and that's why it earns a strong 4.4 out of 5. If you want to check the current price, the purchase link is in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. See you next time.